Imagine weapons straight out of science fiction like cloaking devices, laser cannons, and drones invisible to radar. These futuristic visions aren't confined to movies, they're already secretly shaping military strategies around the globe. Welcome to Futuristic Edge, where today, we reveal 8 secret military technologies that already exist. At number 1 we have invisibility cloaks. While Harry Potter's cloak remains fictional, militaries are developing real-world invisibility. Hyperstealth Biotechnology's quantum stealth material manipulates light to bend around objects, creating near-total invisibility. This technology, currently tested by US and Canadian forces, involves advanced metamaterials that manipulate wavelengths of light to effectively hide tanks, aircraft, and troops from visual detection. Early results suggest potential battlefield advantages, significantly altering stealth and covert operations. Next, we have directed energy weapons or real-life laser cannons. The U.S. Navy's Laser Weapon System, or LAWS for short, uses focused beams of energy to disable or destroy enemy targets instantly. Mounted on battleships like the USS Ponce, LAWS can incinerate drones, boats, and missiles silently from miles away. This technology operates at a fraction of the cost of traditional munitions, with virtually unlimited ammunition powered directly by ship engines, marking a transformative shift in naval combat capabilities. Third, we have autonomous drone swarms. Imagine thousands of coordinated drones performing synchronized operations without direct human input. China has demonstrated swarms involving over 1,000 drones executing complex maneuvers in formation, autonomously adjusting flight paths, and engaging targets. These drones use artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms, enabling mass surveillance, targeted attacks, and defensive strategies that could overwhelm conventional air defenses rapidly. At number 4, we have railguns, which are electromagnetic artillery capable of launching projectiles at hypersonic velocities. The U.S. Navy's railgun accelerates projectiles using electromagnetic rails instead of explosive propellants, firing rounds at speeds up to Mach 7, with devastating kinetic energy impact. Railguns offer increased range, reduced ammunition storage risks, and unparalleled precision, potentially reshaping naval and coastal defense strategies by intercepting threats from extreme distances with pinpoint accuracy. At number 5, we have hypersonic missiles. Capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, these missiles defy interception by current defense systems. Russia's Avangard hypersonic glide vehicle and China's DF-17 missile system incorporate advanced propulsion and maneuvering technologies, enabling them to change course mid-flight unpredictably. Their incredible speed and agility pose severe threats to existing missile defenses, prompting global powers to urgently advance their defensive countermeasures. At number 6, we have active camouflage armor that adapts visually to its surroundings in real time. Israel's Carmel program is developing armored vehicles outfitted with electronically adaptive surfaces that display images captured by surrounding cameras, effectively making vehicles invisible against various environments. This technology could revolutionize battlefield stealth, allowing tanks and armored vehicles unprecedented operational freedom while significantly reducing vulnerability to enemy detection. Number 7 on our list is brain-controlled weaponry. DARPA's Neural Engineering System Design, or NESD, program enables soldiers to control military equipment directly with their minds through sophisticated brain-computer interfaces. Using neuroprosthetics and advanced neural implants, soldiers can remotely pilot drones, operate weapon systems, and manage tactical equipment instantaneously. This technology drastically reduces reaction times and enhances precision, potentially redefining future combat operations with unparalleled responsiveness and efficiency. Finally, at number 8, we have quantum radar, which is a groundbreaking system utilizing quantum entanglement to detect stealth aircraft undetectable by conventional radar systems. China's military claims successful tests of quantum radar systems capable of revealing stealth fighters by detecting subtle quantum signatures rather than conventional radio waves. This technology could neutralize stealth advantages enjoyed by advanced militaries, dramatically altering aerial warfare and global strategic balances. These 8 secretive technologies are not merely futuristic ideas, they're actively shaping military strategy and global power dynamics today. As nations race toward technological supremacy, warfare continues to evolve dramatically. Stay tuned to Futuristic Edge for more insights into groundbreaking technologies redefining our world. If you enjoyed uncovering these military secrets, hit subscribe for more groundbreaking revelations. Comment below on which technology you found most impressive. Until next time, stay ahead with Futuristic Edge.